Yes, what is up, everybody? This is Kundai, and today I've got some sad news about Soldier Love and also Prince Musarurwa. Prince Musarurwa is probably most of you might have heard Prince Musarurwa Ashaya, and may his soul rest in peace. And some people were asking, "Good Prince Musarurwa Ndiani?" Prince Musarurwa is a musician in Zimbabwe, and he has been doing very well. Anima songs akaimba, some of them akaita like my hits, like song inonzi runonzi rudo yaakaimba naPachi era, and just affect some of the things that some people were asking in some of the groups that I am in. Vanga vachibvunza kuti Prince wacho anga ari murume waPachi here or anything like that. So I just want to tell you kuti no, Prince anga asiri murume waPachi here, but Prince naPachi here vakaimba vese zvavo, and vane masongs akawanda vakaimba vese, but havasi murume nemukadzi. Andisvika Prince Musarurwa naPachi here, they are actually related, and Prince Musarurwa anenge ndiye sekuru. Like from the information that I got, one of them muzukuru, one of them ndisekuru or ndimbuya. So I think you can correct me if I'm wrong, but what I know is they are related. And Prince Musarurwa naPachi here, and also Prince ane masongs akaimba zinonzi izvo, it is the one akanyora song runonzi rudo yakaimba naPachi here. It's here on YouTube, and also he's got his songs as well. There's a song yakaimba iri pano pa YouTube that was a few months back, inenge inonzi Nyamatsatsi or something like that. You can check it out as well pana pa YouTube, and if you can, please watch the song, watch the video, just in honor of him, and also watch the video yacho inonzi rudo yakaimba naPachi here. He has got some albums dzakaita nanagogodera nemamwe akawanda akasiyana siyana. So he's been doing very well in the music industry. He has been to places like UK, USA for some tours, and he's been doing very well. I will keep on saying this. He's been doing very well in the music industry, and anga achitoro the music, the Zimbabwean music or the African music, because anga achimba Afro jazz, something like that. So he's been taking the music like places. So it is being said aga succumbed to cancer, and also he died in Chinhoyi. So some of the information is going to be coming out yacho yekuti what really happened, and also kuti where he is going to be laid to rest, and also kuti vanhu vari kuchema or the mourners where they are gathered. We are going to be giving you more and more information on that, but we still say may his soul rest in peace, and our prayers and our thoughts are with the family yashaikirwa na Prince Musarurwa, and also the music industry and the nation of Zimbabwe at large. Right, so today I want to talk about Soldier Love. I also have some sad news about Soldier Love. Soldier Love Argunzi, he was involved in a car accident that was Nezuro Manero. You know what happened? That was last week, I think, yeah, a few days ago. Vakanga vari kwaProphet Magaya, and vanga vachinamatirwa kuti vaite zviri nani. He was looking for help because there's some things that were being said. He might have been a drug addict or something like that, or anga kukanganiswa nemadrugs, and he was looking for help. And the brother, some people told me that that one was his brother angari in that video. I explained kuti upfumi hwake ari kuparadza, ari kudestroya. I don't know kuti aita give up here or it's a result yemadrugs iwayo or something like that. So if it is an issue kuti he was giving up, it's not a good thing. You know, I've heard and I've seen some people who they do things in their lives because when they give up on their lives, probably they are never gonna make it, or punishments are achieve in life, and then the things didn't work out. So they end up giving up. Matter life was reckless, drugs, or sometimes sleeping around or varume, and at the end of the day anopedzisira abata chirwere, kana abata chirwere haatozvichengetedzi kuitira kuti akwanise kurarama zvakanaka nacho chirwere chacho. At the end of the day anozopedzisira afa, or some people they end up even commit suicide. So it's not a good thing. And as we saw in the video, the prophet prayed for him, vaita magesture avo chichichi vakamunamatira, and from the way we see things, or the way I see things, because I saw a certain video later on, I started, you guys, I'm okay, and they were saying, I think there was someone akamuita kuti aite zvemadrugs izvozvo, or I am supplying my drugs, or I am pama drugs. So he was saying, no, it is like someone is forcing me or telling me to do these things. Musapomera munhu mhosva, because kana ndichitora madrugs, I'm taking them on my own. Hapana zvekuti ndota kugarira pasi nchinzi tora. And so he was just trying to, I don't know if I can say, justify someone, or he was trying to make sure to I'm not sure the name was anyatsomuziva, why try kuudza vanhu kuti no, if there are mistakes that I made, it is actually me who made those mistakes, and they were my choices which were wrong. And that was what he was saying. And then I saw a certain video again where he was in a certain studio achiimba naJasignal, and from the way I saw him, akatogerwa like clean shave, just like sezvandakaita izvi, and achiratidza kuti he is now like fit, he is now okay. Ndozvairatidzika ipapo. So I just hope kuti he is now okay, since I believe that the reason why he went to Prophet Magai is because he knows the man is going to help him, because it's not his first time as well. He has been there, he has been kwa Prophet Magai pakamboita accident akakwara gumbo, and pakambonzi aita I think pakambonzi aita pakamboita a certain problem as well painana Prophet Magai, and then he helped him. So this time again he went there. It means kudzokera ikoko, it means the first time he went there he saw some results. So from the way I saw him as well, he was looking like bright and happy and charged up, and aiteimba Signal. It seems as if we're going to be having a collaboration ya Soja Love na Jasignal. So I think he's okay, but there's also, and yeah, there was actually something that they said achitaratranspane song yake iri kubuda manje, so it has got something to do with nyaya dzevavengi, kuti there are some people who are trying to push him down, not just kungomuita push down, but I think they are using spiritual means to make sure that nothing that he gathers will stand. So zvaanotry kunganza zvinongoparara, and zvinoparara through even iye wacho, so that people would think kuti handiye ari kuzviparadza ega. But it seems as if he was saying pane mhepo dzaari kusimudzirwa, handisika kune vanhu vari kutraya kuti asabudirira, and probably vanhu vacho vanogona vari some of the people in the music industry, vanhu vasingawirirani or vasingamufarire, handisika, or there could be people vari mumaraini make, handisika, vanomuziva, vakakura vachimuziva, vanenge vasingadi kuti abudirire, or vanhu vekwavo chaivo zvinoitika izvo kuti hama chedzo dzesingadi kubudirire, vana bamunini, vana bamukuru, vana sekuru, vana mbuya, vana tete, vana munin'ina, vana mukoma, vana madzisekuru, madzanzvadzi, madzichichi, like hama, relatives, close relatives. And it's very possible there are so many people who are suffering, and then if you dig deep you will find out kuti munhu iyeye kutambura kwaari kuita is a result yekuti pana bamukuru vake vakaenda nezita rake kun'anga or somewhere else vachinocherera kuti asafa akaroorwa, or asafa akawana anything chaanoita in life, asati asawana anything chinoita kuti abudirire. And it's possible, handiti kuti kunogona kunge kutoriwo nevanhu vanenge vadaro. So I was talking about vavengi achitaura kuti haamairasa this time, because the man of God is going to be praying for me, and whatever you do azvikurire zvekwamwari. And it's obviously obvious kuti chero zvikanzi nemushonga wakaita sei haukwanisi kukurira Mwari. Kana munhu achinamata, it's a good thing. And I also encourage you guys, if you're watching this video, kuti whatever you do, if you want to gather things, there are spiritual things out there. Handitika ezini kuti kune waroi, handisi kuti spiritual things uri watu waroi, but I'm saying kune waroi kana kuti kune vanhu vanoziva kuita zvinhu zvepamweya, handiti kuita zvinhu zvinoita kuti iwewe zvinhu zvako zvisafaya. Whether you're watching this video from the UK, USA, Honolulu, Hawaii, wherever you are, kana zvazvepamweya vanhu ivavo vakadhira neyo vari kuno kuZimbabwe pasi pemuti mugomo kuyakuya kwanhingi kuyakuya kumusha kwenyu kuyakuya, akangobaya mabhatani ake ari ikoko, wifi yacho inobata chero kwauri ikoko, zvinosvika ikoko hazvimbotadzi kana kawano. Ndotosvika ukabatwa ikoko, kana uchipenga upenga, kana uchidhungwa nemota uchidhungwa nemota, kana uchidzingwa basa uchidzingwa basa, kana madhira achiramba kufaya achitoramba kufaya. So sometimes it doesn't matter where you are. Kana ukada kuti tanzi muZimbabwe mune varoi, ndakutiza varoi, unonotiza, but they can always get where you are because according to them distance is not a barrier. Vanosvika ikoko shuro remadzikirira uri muzimba rako rinenge ritori nemaalarm systems anobata anonzi machiyaya munoti machi movements. Pane security systems anokwanisa kuona kuti right paita a certain movement apa, anotosensa movement, anosensa even ropa charo, anosensa body temperature, ariko maalarm akadaro. Even atoripo iwayo unovingwa mumba mako bedroom imomo ukarohwa nemadzikirira zvisingaiti. So what I can just say is we just need to keep on praying. Today is a Sunday and I encourage everyone to go to church, whether unoenda musi Saturday, Friday, Wednesday, Monday, Sunday, whenever you go to church, just believe chandofarira ndechekuti Mwari watotenda ndiMwari akasika denga nenyika, and kana uchitenda kuna Mwari akasika denga nenyika, it means ndiye Mwari chaiye. So the way you namata him, whether unamata wakabvisa bhutsu, whether unamata uri muti, kana unamata uri paya, whatever the case may be, chakakosha kuita se kutenda kuti kuna Mwari, ende Mwari wavo ukavapa zvinhu zvako usina anything else chaunoedha to south kuti unozoisira usina, uchingotenda kuna Mwari chete. I believe that God can help you and can bless you. So here it seems as if Mkoma Soldier Love vanenge kana paine vavengi or whoever is trying to destroy him, that person achiri naye. Personally I would say achiri naye. Why? Because guys, usatamba nekuti uruto wabudewo kuma drugs kwawanga wachitambura wachasi wanamatiro zvaita bo, then the first show yawada kuenda wobva waita accident. And I'm happy because from the information that I got, the man didn't die, and also anakwara and apana kwara. It was like some kind of a minor accident, but probably the accident was meant to destroy him, since pamwe vaida kuedza kuti aite zvekuparara achingofa ari rombe, or kuti afe nemadrugs because variko vanhu vanofa nemadrugs, or kuti afe nekuzvisungirira kana kuti commit suicide. Handisika probably vanogona vaona kuti hai zvese zvaramba since aendawo kunonamatiro. Then they probably decided kuti no, let's just use something else, which is an accident. So I just pray, guys, kuti this man Soldier Love is our star and we love his music. We just pray that everything will be okay with him and he continues to be strengthened in his life and also in his career. We pray that Mwari anonamba wakamuchengeta so that hazvizorambe zvichiitika zvakashata kwaari. So I don't know, what do you think, guys? Do you think kuti pane munhu ari kuedza kuroya Soldier Love since pari kuitika zvinhu zvakawanda, a lot of misfortunes are coming to him, or you think kuti pamwe iye pamwe imhosva yake because pamwe pane zvanenge akaita zvinhu izvo zvotanga kumutera? I have heard some people saying kuti maartist anomboenda kunotsvaka mishonga vachita sei, saka pamwe vanhu anotsvaka mishonga and then mishonga wacho wobva watadza kushanda kana kuti wotanga kuzomudzokera. It's also possible, but I'm not saying kuti Jah Love ane mushonga or anything like that. I'm just telling you, I'm just asking you what you think. Why is it that Jah Love ari kuramba achiteerwa nezvinhu zvakashata zvirongoitika kwaari? Do you think kuti vanhu vacho vanga vakadhakwa? Pamwe vanenge vakamwa, pamwe vanga vakadhakwa aidhiraivha wacho, of which sometimes kana wakadhakwa ukaita accident, you can't really say kuti hanzi pana mbuya nehanda vangoida kuti ndife, iwe wanga wakadhakwa. Kana wanga wakadhakwa judgment yako and all sorts of things zvisinyatsori in place, so it's possible for you to end up with accident. So I don't know, guys, just let me know what do you think about what is happening to Soldier Love. And we still say may Musaruro Prince, may his soul rest in peace, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for joining me.